So what I want you to do is just let this drop all the way into my hands and then drop your left shoulder for me.
Oh my God.
There you go.
That was a big one.
Yeah. So I feel like that one's really going to help you because you've got that C1 at the top,
Yeah.
and there's no space in between the bottom of your skull there. So that's the whole idea of that, is to kind of lift it up, make that space in there. Yeah, dude, that feels much looser up there, doesn't it? Like to do these hard things.
Well, thank you.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. The best decision I've ever made to come here.
Oh, that's nice. I hope the x-ray though is a closure though for kind of what's been going on, you know. Makes sense as to why you're getting the stuff up the top, hey?
Yeah.